As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, we are witnessing the rise of humanoid robots and their increasing presence in our daily lives. From healthcare to manufacturing, these machines are transforming the way we live and work. This exciting development has sparked both curiosity and concern, as people try to understand the implications of having robots that can mimic human behavior and interact with us in more natural ways. In this video, we will explore the ways in which humanoid robots are changing the future, including their impact on industries, society, and even our personal lives. We will also delve into the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this new era of technological innovation. Join us as we take a closer look at the fascinating world of humanoid robots and their potential to shape our future in ways we never thought possible. History of humanoid robots. The concept of humanoid robots dates back to ancient times, with many myths and legends featuring mechanical beings with human-like characteristics. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that science fiction brought the idea of humanoid robots to the forefront of popular culture. In the 1920s, the Czech writer Karel Čapek coined the term robot in his play R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots, which depicted robots as artificial humans created to perform manual labor. Since then, humanoid robots have appeared in countless books, movies, and television shows, often portrayed as either helpful companions or menacing adversaries. In the real world, the development of humanoid robots began in the 1970s with the creation of Wobot 1. A robot developed by the Waseda University in Japan. This early robot had arms, legs, and a head, and could walk and perform basic tasks. Since then, robotics researchers around the world have continued to build more advanced humanoid robots, with the goal of creating machines that can perform complex tasks and interact with humans in natural ways. Benefits of humanoid robots. The rise of humanoid robots has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives in countless ways. One of the biggest benefits of humanoid robots is their ability to perform tasks that are difficult or dangerous for humans. For example, in healthcare, robots can assist with surgeries, deliver medication, and even provide emotional support for patients. In manufacturing, robots can perform repetitive tasks with high precision and efficiency, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative or complex tasks. Another benefit of humanoid robots is their potential to improve education. Robots can serve as tutors, helping students to learn at their own pace and providing personalized feedback. They can also be used to teach students about robotics and programming, helping to prepare the next generation of engineers and scientists. Humanoid robots in healthcare. One of the most promising areas for the use of humanoid robots is healthcare. Robots can assist with a wide range of tasks, from performing surgeries to providing emotional support for patients. In Japan, the government has launched a program to introduce robots into nursing homes to help care for the country's rapidly aging population. These robots, which have humanoid features and can speak multiple languages, are designed to provide companionship, monitor patients' health, and even lead exercise classes. One example of a healthcare robot is Poro, a robotic seal developed by the Japanese company AIST. Poro is designed to provide therapy for patients with dementia and other cognitive disorders. The robot looks and feels like a real seal and can respond to touch and sound. Studies have shown that interacting with Poro can reduce stress and anxiety in patients and improve their overall well-being. Humanoid robots in manufacturing. Another area where humanoid robots are having a significant impact is manufacturing. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with high precision and efficiency, allowing manufacturers to increase production while reducing costs. One example of a humanoid robot used in manufacturing is the Baxter robot, developed by Rethink Robotics. Baxter has 2 arms and can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from packing boxes to assembling products. In addition to improving efficiency, humanoid robots can also improve safety in manufacturing environments. Robots can perform tasks that are dangerous for human workers, such as handling hazardous materials or working in extreme temperatures. By taking on these tasks, robots can reduce the risk of injury or illness for human workers. Humanoid robots in education. Humanoid robots also have the potential to transform education. Robots can serve as tutors, helping students to learn at their own pace and providing personalized feedback. They can also be used to teach students about robotics and programming, helping to prepare the next generation of engineers and scientists. One example of a robot used in education is NAO, a humanoid robot developed by the French company Aldebaran Robotics. NAO is designed to interact with students and help them learn about programming and robotics. The robot can move, speak, and respond to touch, making it a fun and engaging way for students to learn about technology. Humanoid robots in entertainment. Humanoid robots are also making their way into the world of entertainment. Robots can be used in theme parks, museums, and other attractions to provide interactive experiences for visitors. For example, at the robot restaurant in Tokyo, visitors can watch a show featuring giant robots, dancers, and other performers. The robots are controlled by human operators, but their movements and actions are designed to mimic those of real robots. Another example of a robot used in entertainment is the AIBO robot dog, developed by Sony in the late 1990s. AIBO was designed to be a companion for its human owners, and could perform tricks, respond to voice commands, and even learn new behaviors over time. Although Sony discontinued production of AIBO in 2006, the robot remains a popular collector's item among robotics enthusiasts. Concerns and limitations of humanoid robots. While the rise of humanoid robots offers many benefits, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of this technology. One concern is the impact of robots on employment. As robots become more advanced and capable of performing complex tasks, there is a risk that they will replace human workers in certain industries. This could lead to job losses and economic disruption. Another concern is the ethical considerations surrounding the use of humanoid robots. As robots become more human-like in appearance and behavior, there is a risk that they could be used to deceive or manipulate people. There are also concerns about privacy and security, as robots that are connected to the internet could potentially be hacked or used to gather sensitive information. The rise of humanoid robots is changing the future in exciting and unpredictable ways. From healthcare to manufacturing to education and entertainment, robots are transforming the way we live and work. While there are concerns about the potential negative impacts of this technology, the benefits of humanoid robots are clear. As we continue to develop this technology, it will be important to address the ethical considerations and ensure that robots are used in ways that benefit society and respect human rights. With careful planning and innovation, the rise of humanoid robots could be a positive development for humanity. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.